You will all recall that on the last adjourned date, we moved an application seeking for the discharge of the defendants on all the counts, the 15 counts filed against the defendants. And the court, in its wisdom, now reviewed all the charges and discovered that with the exception of 7 counts, about 8 counts appear to be similar, and those charges were struck out. Now, it would be also understood that in the argument of the defendants, the accounts that is reflected in the charges, when you go to the charge, you get to know all the counts. But all the counts relating to terrorism are really sustained by the court. And they make heavy weather on the issue of rendition, and the court bluntly said that rendition in this situation is allowed, because rendition in criminal law, in criminal case, is allowed. After all, the defendant is under a bench warrant, and anywhere he is seen, the law allows him to be taken and be forcefully brought to court. And that was what exactly happened. And again, with respect to membership of IPOB, which he denied, it was the argument of the defendant that the matter is on appeal on whether IPOB is a proscribed organization under the Nigerian law or not. The court also emphatically said even though the issue is on appeal, but what is in place is that IPOB still remains a terrorist organization within the confines of Nigerian law. And immediately thereafter, they moved another application for bail again, which the court ordered that such application be taken, and arguments were proffered. And it was also in their argument that Nnamdi Kanu had never flouted any of the conditions of the bail. And we have argued vehemently, showing to the world, showing to the court that he has actually flouted all the bail conditions. And that was the reason why the court has ordered for his, revoked his bail and ordered for his arrest. And it was also our argument that what we should be talking about is contempt of court, not even issue of bail anymore. And we are awaiting the response of the court on the next adjourned date, which the case is now adjourned till the 17th, 18th, and 26th of May 2022 for ruling and continuation of hearing. But one thing that is very significant that I thought I should mention here is that the court has already hinted us that arising from the new practice direction, considering the inconvenience this case has always caused other courts within the premises and other offices within the premises, moving forward, this case will be heard in other places that will be communicated to parties before the next adjourned date. This, I thought, is very important, and I thought I should let you know.
Sir, accredited journalists were barred from gaining access into the courtroom. What's the position of the prosecutor on this? Because we just afforded you the platform to tell Nigerians what transpired in the courtroom, and we're not allowed to go into the courtroom to report the proceedings.
Well, I think with respect to that, that will be the business of the information unit of the Federal High Court. I am to give you what actually transpired in the court. So I'm afraid I'm not able to. I will not be able to respond to that. What about the jurisdiction? Well, the issue of jurisdiction, already the court has already sustained that. I mean, refused that issue of jurisdiction. This court has the jurisdiction to entertain this matter, and that is the more reason why this matter will continue with the remaining 7 counts against the defendant.